Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to set up private space. To set up private space on any Android smartphone, go to Settings and next go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and go to Private Space. Draw your pattern to continue. And now, create Google account for your private space. Set lock, install apps, and setup. Create account. Choose new lock. Tap done. Scroll down to find private. Enter it. And now you can install apps on your private space. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.